Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyambat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore. Ka Khot admission nagamta ka nursing but paramedical course. Ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council. Ka buy admission ka badunatam. But she's pa percent ka jingyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Ki stamla pule jong kanihu kiliat hu bagi pulit kiwan rong hanihu kumbalai ni Southrock bagian kemasis pak sau pungut tam ki pulit hapo campus jong kanihu kilakam bagi pulit kilarong haman lagi jaka berwat haduk Khmat Kamra Klas ru ki Rung habakali kiliat hu baga pro vice chancellor ka Professor Sherwin Mesungo ka vice chancellor in charge ru kilong bakam don Jingtip BH phangan ga jingwan ki pulen Kini samla pule ki bedagi kintai kilo ang bagan ga jingwan rong ki pulit hanihu kini ga bam yahap satya namal bakan kata kelapan ban ika jing pule jongki.
There's no formal letter and all to the VC in charge also that the police will be coming. And also when the police came, they came in civil dress. But then they had no warrant whatsoever. They just came and arrested our friends. And then when they came to know that it wasn't the particular alleged person, they just drop him. They just catch him by his neck and then throw him out somewhere like he is some kind of a dog or something. That is like a violation of his human rights. And what do you think? Just by they say that they're saying that they came here to provide security to that professor who is being alleged that he's being assaulted. So if they providing security to him, why do you need 140 plus police personnel just for security? And the students now are feeling threatened. When they were sitting in class, they saw police sitting outside in the corridors, sitting here and there. They feel like what is the purpose? They feel like they are not being safe in their own campus. So the only demand that the students are asking for now is that for the police to move out from the campus. The investigation, do it. Whatever you want to do, we have no objection whatsoever that the investigation will carry on. But please don't. This is like threatening us that we don't feel safe in our campus anymore. We want to go to the library. We want to go home. But look at we wanted them just to go out from the campus. Only those who want to do the investigation, come and do it. But for now, please remove the personnel from the campus itself. That is the only request. And in the future also, if there's any case arises like this, please bring warrant, bring such any letter or something. If you want to provide security, please provide security. But then the RCRPF, SF10 and all, no? So what have we done? We are not terrorists. This is not like a highly tense area or something. We are just students. We came here to study, and we don't know even about the other stuff that is happening in the campus. So if you want to do it peacefully, but then please don't make this such of a kind of a situation, because we want peaceful campus. We want our education also to go smoothly and all. But please, so we don't accept this. We condemn this kind of activities here in the campus. So the only demand for them is that to go out, and as long as their police personnel doesn't move out from the campus, we also will be staying here. Because what happens now, we're seeing that they are bringing also their utensils and all. No, they were bringing just now. So if we move out, so they think that we will subject to them, and if we move out, then they also will come. If we move out now, they came 140. Who knows? Tomorrow they'll come 500 also. And what have we done? What have we done to deserve this kind of pressure in the campus itself? So that is the only request.
Demand is that we as a student, when we came from the department, we were just walking, and then there are so many police officers, like they are walking here and there, and we were thinking like what happened exactly in the university. And then when we reach here in gate 2, there are so many police officers here, and then we were looking here and there, and we were thinking like why is this happening here? And we heard from our friends that due to that incident that happened in this past few days, and due to that they were all here. And then as a student, we don't feel safe, because imagine there are only for one incident, and they are bringing around 100 plus police. And do you think that we as a student we feel safe? And that too, they are bringing with the shield, yes, and everything. And we as a student, we were just with pen and papers and copies and all in books, and then we were just thinking of going to the library. We're just thinking of studying with friends, like group studies and all, and we just want to have tea here and there. And that too, the other incident was that there are two of our friends who are being apprehended by the police. And that too, while reaching halfway, they were dropping one of our friends, and they were like, it was due by mistake that they apprehended him. And do you think that is not harassment to his mental health? And that too, what will our friends think? What will his friend thinks about him? That they are capturing him as a suspect. Even VC also, she has no idea about this.
She has no idea about this. So if you want to arrest someone, at least inform the concerned authority, inform at least the VC in charge, or you want to bring a warrant, please arrest them. Like if you want to just come and then arrest them from anywhere, treat them like a dog, and if you feel like this is not the person, you just throw them out. That is completely violation. And it feels like, what if us we were girls, we are women, like we came here to study, but then when we see police personnel, we don't feel safe. We feel like we are threatened. Imagine us sitting in a class. Do you think that we'll be able to concentrate? You think we'll be able when police are out there? What if we are the suspect? If that can happen, if anyone can get arrested, it can happen to us also anytime, any point of moment. And what if we just like enjoying, we just came to study, have food, and then someone will come and arrest us without even knowing what have we done? And we are just normal students. We don't like this kind of situation out here. We want to study peacefully. We want to finish our course and all. So we do not tolerate this kind of activities, especially from the police personnel.
Ni kong student mas mi na po department abangi na mi na department ya ki surat ni shi Pulit kidan hani hata hani ta kiat ma tingi poi hang te haget riro tingi inang tinga jingai shi group Pulit la dan hani tingi wana te hang ni yo ani beli mo kat ni harin tupat ang ok ni ki wan up yang ki student hang ni badan ka jingjia hang ni hari ketupat ki ong ini ba obajia kata baki haban wan hang ni bandan kata bandan kata ka jing pakat sajia kata ka rakyat hang ni mo de hadin kata pat ni ong ki balik kat ni habangi ku ki student ni mi na kelas ki wan hang ni ki don ki balik sha library ki don SA de balik kat ni hado kata ka jingjia hang ni ba sya syo ite ine kai jangi to kata ki condemn mo kata ka jingjia hang ta mo dadap ki wan hang ni to wan kem le kata ka investigation jompi le kata ka ba pidi ban le ngem khang kata tambah kat ni kata ka kita CR pati polis mo CR ban KSF ten rukiwan hang ni kat ni hatu kata kalong safe mo yang ni habang ya hang ni keleng ki security guard jongi rukidon man kas ngi ya ting ya marwei ro ni kam tam ni kum kin thei mo ting ya han nyo beje pra beje ngi hang ni marwei hanri menta per khala nyo beje kat kan ni hatu ngi long safe mo ngi lai dang ya chate kam tam kitu bamdan kiting ki street like ni hatu ngi long safe mo sa kawei ro dan ki student jongi kiba la sha
apa bagi dang bam kita Pulit mo kiba klempong uniform mo
kiwan civil dress
tiki shuan tan ba iki kena untuk but kila drop iki par hate hapo get fine
anda kila pen hab iki hate ki ang bangi bakla hato kata kalong mo ban shu bakla ban shu kem hato kata kam mental health jongi
hato kena kin sngok no ki perlog jo itu kena kin sngok no kin ong kum no ya ki itu kena bapli mo te takadaw ngingi condemn ya kata ka jingle jongi ni Pulit but ki Pulit ro artan kiwan kiya ki hostel kan thei te kamut ayu kata bakin mon ya ki hostel kan thei kakam don ai ro em ki hostel kan thei ba pin chuan ya ki kan thei ki kena kan thei ki don ki jing snow ba kim nur chu ban mi na hostel ki tiang ban mi na library ro kim nur ra ki kena ba pli kan thei ki om ba bali ki chuan ki Pulit ki tiang makin mar bali ki nang mut ba makir ki cha suspect kan te mangi ngim su tanat kum kini ka judge
ka akor kena ro ngiyat kita ki Pulit bot na din jongi hato kata kalong mo kata kam bu jingting kam bu jing mayangi investigation can carry on. We have nothing against that. It's just that the main thing is we want all these 100 plus police personnel to stay outside the campus. That we don't mind. Just the police investigation team can enter the campus. Just that.
As far as from the communication from the other students are saying that 140 plus, and there before in the daytime there were like so many police personnel even in the campus, even in the classroom corridors and everything. So it is a large number. There are like 2-3 trucks and all, no?
And like see, just here also there are this many, and that to this is not the only group. There are so many groups that side also. Tai kadi ban long ngingi la ban lekat pemon ban ya chani chatai klem jingting te habaki bot din kum tahato kambu jing mayangi but what if yang ngiruk ngin kem kit penhap yang stengel ti kana mangi bakla bangim de kita ki suspect
kai ka jing yu jing pi long pi kwa ba kini ki Pulit kini
ni kwa ka jing kwa jongi kalong ba tang kita ki member ki baka tang kita ki pulit ki balik ka investigation kila ban rung syapo henry umde kat kan hado shispa san po shispa san pongot ki pulit
artrok na
hado kalam mo
nang ta berkilathi de bakiwan berkisuloi de kamut ayu kita ke pitrik ka
ni wan hang ne
kimdai kum kikna ni long kum teroris
ni tap iki kopi tang iwan ni mi sing na ying ki oingi salet sapoi sup sawan biang sing dah habajia kumne kamut bagi mut kumbaki trais ni amyangi ikna ho kata ka de shahri bangin ya thu epi menta ka kerteng ba manu tak kena kata kalong bang ibu jingmai tak kena nama mai i la long kumbayo trauma makensan kisuan man kem i kisuan man buah pokali
sundur ki
kata ro kelab penhab iki steng unti hato kata kim ting no banwan Khmat